Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today's video is going to be the review of Deconstruct Brightening Serum, and a lot of you were DMing me on Instagram to review this. When I went to their website, I saw the ingredients. I was really surprised to see it has niacinamide and it has alpha-arbutin. So that is a very rare combination to find, which would be great for pigmentation and dark spots because it is a brightening serum. In this video we're going to talk about the ingredients, whether they are good. I'm going to tell you what was my experience. I am also going to talk about if you plan to use it, like should you use it, and if you do, how should you layer it up in your skincare. That is very important because it does have alpha-arbutin in it. So all of that we're going to talk. So I will be sharing the details. Do keep watching and let's start. The very first thing that I always talk about in my videos is about the packaging, because when you look at this one, it's very simple. It has this frosted glass bottle, it has a black dropper, and if you look at the serum, it is cloudy. And when you talk about the texture, it's very nice. It does go on your skin nicely, does not leave a very sticky feeling, and gets absorbed into your skin quickly and doesn't pile up also. Next we should be talking about, which is very important, are the ingredients. Now a lot of people do this thing that they will just read the ingredients and give you the information whether this is good or that is bad. I'm like, how can you just tell just by looking at the ingredients? You cannot. You have to try it. The formulation has to be good. The first thing is it is formulated in water, which I think is a big relief. A lot of people do have allergies from the other aloe vera or so. So formulating it in water makes it universally more acceptable, and a lot of people can be using it. And their ingredients also do look free from alcohol, free from fragrance, silicone, parabens, so all of that we are scared of nowadays. So now let's talk about the benefits of niacinamide, because Deconstruct does have 10% niacinamide. So it will help in inhibiting the excess melanin production. Niacinamide, it just calms down the skin. It inhibits means stops the excess production of melanin, so that will obviously lead to less of the hyperpigmentation or melasma. Number two, it does build your lipid barrier. It does help in strengthening your skin. It does help in producing more of the keratin, which is the protein responsible for the firmness and elasticity of skin. So it is anti-aging also. A lot of people think that niacinamide is only for the acne or oil control and all. Not really. It is anti-aging also. It does help in smoothing the skin texture. So when your skin is smoothened out, the pores do appear less. The skin appears much more smooth and healthy. And number four, acne. So we all know it is so good for keeping the sebum under control. Okay, now let's talk about alpha-arbutin. Like, what is it and how does it work? Because that is a new ingredient. A lot of people don't talk about it much. So alpha-arbutin is basically a molecule which is derived from bearberry plant, and it is also another beautiful ingredient which inhibits the melanin production. So what happens is, basically, we in our body, whenever we have this inflammation, our skin starts producing more of melanin. There are these cells called melanocytes. In there is this enzyme called tyrosinase. So they get activated anytime our skin comes in contact with UV light, which is why you will notice that whenever you go more in the sun, you have more of freckles and sunspots. So what the arbutin does is it blocks the tyrosinase and keeps the dark spots at bay. So that is basically a tyrosinase inhibitor. So now let's just talk about the benefits that you'll be getting by using alpha-arbutin. Number one, so obviously it will be blocking the tyrosinase. So it is very good to be used at daytime, especially because it does help in the damage caused by UV radiation. Number two, it is very gentle on your skin. If you compare it to the other skin lightening agents, like if you talk about hydroquinone or so, that's not considered very safe. But if you come to alpha-arbutin, it's very gentle on your skin and does not have any such side effects like hydroquinone. Now let's talk about the my experience, like when I used this serum. So I used it for more than a month now. It's almost empty. I have little bit left just to show you, so that I can show you the sample of the, you know, the texture shots and everything. Feel that inflammation going out of proportion, which eventually leads to dark spots. That's number one, that it just calmed down my skin. Number two, I did feel that my skin, as it was super sensitive earlier, it did become a little stronger. Now my skin is not sensitive that much anymore as it was earlier. It did repair my barrier, which I feel is also a big deal for me. It did help me, especially in the morning when I use it under my sunscreen. It does help in keeping my sunspots under check, and I think that it did help in calming down my skin. It did build my skin barrier. So all of these are the beautiful things that a serum should be doing for you if you really want to, skin to be looking better. Now let me share with you the demo how to use it. All you have to do is just wash your face with your normal face wash that you use, and after that you apply a few drops of this one on your face. Tap it, don't ever rub like this, tap in your serum like that. Let it settle down there for around 1 minute or so, because otherwise there might be chances of piling, which can happen with niacinamide. Then after that you can be applying your normal moisturizer, or if you want to use a toner also before this, you can do that. So this would be something that you can be applying 2 times, morning and night time. Now the thing is that with what you can be using it and with what you can't be using it. So you can be using it with retinol. It is very good. Both of the ingredients, the arbutin and the niacinamide, both of them gel well with this retinol, and in fact with AHA and BHAs also. So that is a big relief. The results will vary, but definitely you can give it a try. So do let me know in the comment box how has been your experience if you did try the serum. If you have any other questions related to it, do comment that also below. I'll be answering them. Do take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.